Having a space at the National Drone Hub for Metaverse VR is good because it allows us to get more hands-on with those in the field and people that are experts in using drones. Before, we could only really show VirtualSky at events, whereas now we have a dedicated place that people can come, get more hands-on with and spend more time with the product. People come to the Drone Hub for the first time, they're able to pick up controllers, put on a headset and immerse themselves in a virtual world. Using VirtualSky, they're able to fly a drone in safe, repeatable conditions in realistic environments. I think people should consider coming down to the hub because whether or not you're a new beginner, an experienced pilot, a business looking to get involved in the technology, it's an opportunity to come down, get hands-on with it. You can be guided through by the Metaverse VR experts and just get a feel for kind of how it works. Partnering with Holeship is great because they've given us a space to show what we can do in an area that is just key for drones. They have so much interesting drone technology down there. They're really the forefront of everything going on with drones in this country, and it's just exciting to work with them.